Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Gardening North channel. Today I'm going to cook with the vegetables that are available at the market this season. We'll be preparing some delicious and nutritious meals that are perfect for a busy week ahead. Before we dive into the cooking, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. We've got
pepper squash, carrots, cabbage, kale head, beetroot, apple, cranberry.
Look at this awesome kale head. I picked it up from our garden in the middle of November, and at this time, there are absolutely no insects on it. Now let's get started. Let's peel and slice about 4 apples. Add cranberries and sprinkle some cinnamon. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This block type of puffed pastry is really hard to roll. I had to get some help from my husband to flatten it. Fold the edges towards the center and brush them with an egg. Sprinkle some brown sugar on top. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. I'm going to use half of a small cabbage head and chop it fine. I will cut off the stalk from the kale leaf and chop it fine as well. I also grated 1 carrot. To make the salad more exciting, I will be using this salad topper with cranberries, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. It actually takes time to chew on the salad, which is good, as it forces you to slow down and curb your appetite. Let's make a dressing for the salad. I will be using 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, four tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of lemon. Give it a shake and you're almost done. I forgot to add minced garlic, so add about 1 or 2 cloves. I will be baking some yellow potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots and beets as my side dish. I chopped them into wedges, about 1-inch pieces. I kept sweet potatoes a little bigger as they cook faster than yellow potatoes. I will season it with my favorite spice mixture for potatoes. You can also just use salt and pepper. Drizzle it with olive oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, turning halfway. Put your favorite salty spice mixture on the chicken legs. I am using Cajun and chicken and ribs seasoning. Let it marinate overnight. Next morning, make the acidic marinade that will make the meat more tender. Use 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of Worcester, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 5 tablespoons of cooking olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let it marinate for 1 to 6 hours. I'm using this roasting pan with a grill rack. The rack allows heat to circulate evenly underneath the meat, as well as around the sides. The more air circulation in the pan, the more evenly the meat will cook. Bake it 400 degrees for 50 minutes. Cut the squash in half and take out the seeds. Bake it 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Next, gather your ingredients. Pumpkin, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, salt and pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 or 2 onions, coconut milk, and chicken broth. First, fry the onions. Add garlic. Add curry spice and toast it for 1 minute. Add the pumpkin, coconut milk, and broth. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and a dash of pepper. Cook it for 10 minutes. Then blend everything together. And here you have it, our 5 delicious and nutritious meals, all prepped and ready to go. Remember, meal prep not only saves you time during the week, but also ensures you're making healthier choices. That's a wrap for today's meal prep video. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in the comments how they turn out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gardening North, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy cooking!